Porsche 911 Carrera T 2018 review. From £75,0749. What is it? First, let's deal with the name. Believe the marketing hype and you'll think the original 1968 Porsche 911 T, standing for touring, was conceived as a stripped-back lightweight driver's car fine-tuned for the open road, and that this modern 911 T pays homage to that legend. It does nothing of the sort. 50 years ago, the 911 T was a cut-price, poverty-spec 911 designed to boost sales. Porsche took money out of it wherever it could, none more so than in its engine, which was so detuned that, at 110 bhp, it was and remains the least powerful 911 ever offered for sale. Regardless of name, this new 911 Carrera T takes a completely different approach, not least because, at £85,576, it's almost 10% more expensive than the Carrera coupe on which it's based. The original T was well over 10% cheaper than the standard 911 of the time. In fact, today's T is a far more carefully honed road warrior than its ancestor ever was. Even so, there's been no revolution here. So if you were hoping the Carrera T would be a mini GT3, look away now. But that's not to say there's nothing interesting going on. The motor is the stock 3.0-liter turbocharged Carrera unit, as is its 7-speed manual gearbox. But the shifter has been made a little shorter and the whole thing runs through the final drive from the Carrera S, dropping the gearing more than a touch. More significant still is the standard limited slip differential, Porsche's highly effective PASM adaptive damping system, and the 20mm suspension drop that comes with it, 20 in rims and standard fitment of the Sport Chrono Pack, with its steering wheel mounted mode switch. It has sports exhausts, too. These items alone would amount to almost the additional cost asked by Porsche were it possible to fit them all as options to a Carrera.